guys, so this is a video of how to replace the passenger mirror on a 2011 Ford Taurus show. It's actually really easy. First step is to take off this piece of plastic. You just gotta wiggle it off. As you can see, it just has this clip, this one, and then it just goes into there. Pretty simple. Next step, we're just gonna take out these two screws and this one here in the corner, and then just take off this clip. Just like that. So next step is just to take off these three screws, which look like they're probably 10s. Reverse installation is pretty simple. All you gotta do is you just put the screws back in, screw this, and we're gonna change, well, obviously this one doesn't have the plastic cover or chrome cover, whatever you have. So we're gonna take it off from this one, the old one, and put it on now. Should be easy to pretty much snap it back on, but it was a pain in the butt. As you can see, I had to pry it in a lot of different places. Let's see if it just snaps on. Give me just a second, it's kind of hard to do it. Once it just snapped right in, I just put it in this way, like that, and it snapped in. So there you go, it's all done.